Welcome back to Tectonic today. We're diving into a classic powerhouse from Intel, the Core i5-9400F. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a new rig, this CPU is still a solid choice in 2024. Let's see why. The Intel Core i5-9400F. The Intel Core i5-9400F is a 9th-gen processor, designed on the Coffee Lake architecture. It features 6 cores and 6 threads, with a base clock speed of 2.9 GHz that can boost up to 4.1 GHz under load. It's built on a 14 nanometers process and fits into the LGA 1151 socket. Role of gaming and productivity benchmarks. In terms of performance, the i5-9400F might not have hyperthreading, but it still holds its own in gaming and general productivity. Paired with a good GPU, it delivers smooth performance in popular titles like Fortnite, GTA 5, and even more demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 at medium to high settings. In multi-core workloads like video editing or 3D rendering, it can handle moderate tasks without breaking a sweat. Thermals and power consumption. Thermal tests and power draw charts. One of the standout features of the i5-9400F is its power efficiency. With a TDP of just 65 watts, this CPU runs cool and is easy to keep under control even with stock cooling. This makes it ideal for budget builds, where you want to save on both the cooler and the power supply. Compatibility and upgrades. Footage of the CPU being installed in a motherboard. Compatibility-wise, the i5-9400F works with motherboards based on the Intel 300 series chipsets. However, note that it lacks integrated graphics, so you'll need a dedicated GPU. This CPU is a great fit for gamers on a budget or anyone looking to build a reliable mid-range system. And if you're considering future upgrades, making it a versatile choice. Price and value in 2024. Pricing comparisons and value analysis. So, how does the Intel Core i5-9400F stack up in 2024? While newer processors offer more cores and threads, this CPU still offers excellent value, especially if you can find it at a discounted price. For gamers and light content creators, it's a cost-effective option that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Intel Core i5-9400F remains a strong contender in the budget to mid-range market. If you're looking to build a dependable system for gaming or everyday tasks, this CPU is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching Tectonic Electric, and I'll catch you in the next video.